Two people want the same job. One is skilled, one is not. But the one who gets the job is someone's relative. Not because of ability, not because of hard work, but because of connection. That unfair advantage has a name. That word is nepotism. Nepotism means giving jobs or benefits to family members or close relatives rather than selecting people for their ability. Pronunciation: nepotism is pronounced as nepotism. Say it like nepotism. The stress is on nep. Grammatical nature: nepotism is a noun. We use nepotism when people in power favor their relatives or close connections instead of choosing the most qualified person. It often appears in jobs, promotions, opportunities, and it usually carries a negative meaning because it creates unfairness. For example, the company was criticized for nepotism in hiring. This means the company gave jobs to relatives instead of choosing the best candidates, so people saw it as unfair. The second example: he got the position through nepotism, not a skill. This shows he did not earn the job by ability. His connection, not his talent, was the reason. In short, nepotism means giving advantage to family, not to merit, talent, or ability. Think, who got the opportunity and why did they really get it? Nepotism is not just a word, it describes a serious problem. It explains why unfair decisions happen even when better people are available. Using this word correctly helps you speak about fairness, power, and justice with clarity and precision.